Hello friends, let us solve one more problem. Next problem, that is a pyramid having base as a triangle. So this is nothing but the triangular pyramid, isn't it? Whose base is 25 mm, axis height is 60 mm long, which is resting on the HP such that one of its rectangular face is perpendicular to VP. Okay. Now this portion we will see in the next lecture. So for the basic development we will consider this much portion only. So let us see how we can draw this particular kind of problem. Okay. Now what we will do, we will draw the line first, which is of 25 mm, isn't it? Then circle of 25 mm, again a circle of 25 mm, means from here you have drawn one arc over here, from here you have drawn one arc over here. Now we have this as an triangle, isn't it? So if we need to join the diagonals of it, how we can do it? Or if we need to look at the central axis of it, so this is what is the central axis. Okay, and from this point only we are going to draw the axis. Unwanted lines can be trimmed like this. So base of it is nothing but the 25 mm. Now if we project this, isn't it? Now let us change this problem. Instead of this axis, this is quite simple problem. Now what we can do is slant line, slant height. Consider, let us change this. The slant height of this particular pyramid is of 60 mm long. Are you getting me? So if you need to mark this slant height, that needs to be cut, isn't it? That needs to be cut on this particular vertical axis, isn't it? So if it is of normal case, then what you would have done, offset by say 60 mm from this particular end to this particular end, isn't it? 60 mm. So if you measure this distance is, this would have been 60 mm. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance 60 हो जाता था. But this is what is the axis height. Now what is given is slant height is of 60 mm. So slant height needs to be marked from the axis where we have that particular edge parallel to the VP. So from this particular end we will draw a circle whose radius will be of 60 mm. So what change you can observe is, see, this is what is nothing but the intersection point. What I will do, just for keeping this particular arc, I will erase the rest of the portion. So from here I have drawn one arc, and now this will be joined like this. Are you getting me? So this is how this needs to be drawn if it is slant height. Are you getting me? Now if you check, this length will be different, isn't it? But this, if you measure this slant height, it will be of 60 mm. Are you getting me? And this will be nothing but the center line. ठीक है? So we have drawn the basic part, isn't it? Now we need to develop it. How we can develop it? Very simple. So copy this particular base or this slant height over here. From here, ortho is already on, isn't it? Then draw a circle passing from this to this. Done. Then a circle of 25 mm radius, isn't it? Then copy this particular circle from this particular edge to this to this. Now as it is a triangular pyramid, so we need 3 points. So this is what is the first point, second point, third point. So copying is done. Then we can draw this straight lines like this. Isn't it? Now if we delete it, you can see a better view. If we trim this particular object, this is what it will be. As this is a triangular pyramid, these are nothing but the straight lines. Okay, this is what will be the development of an triangular base pyramid. Are you getting me? What is remaining in this particular problem is nothing but the dimensioning part. So let us do that dimensioning part. So text, if we select over here, if you mark this particular point as A, okay, let us move this and let us copy it. Ortho of okay, all the points I have marked. Now let us change the naming. So this is B, this is point C, this is axis M, and this is what is N. A, yes it is A, and same B. Okay, this is M, this is C, isn't it? And this is nothing but the N, point N. So this is N, A, then this is B, C, and A. So this is what will be the solution of a basic problem, isn't it? So what or where we should pay the attention in this particular problem is that whether it is the slant height or the axis height, and if it is the axis height, that axis height can be marked only and only when its top view is parallel to the VP, isn't it? जहाँ पर ये पैरेलल होगी लाइन, वहीं से हम लोग आर्क ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ये जो आर्क मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया है, वो आर्क मैंने C पॉइंट से लिया है, ना कि A पॉइंट से. अब आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, अगर हम लोग ये डायमेंशन भी अगर मेजर करते हैं, isn't it? See, this slant height is of 60 mm and this slant height is of 58.7 mm, means which is little bit lesser than the original slant height. So this is not the true length, isn't it? तो अगर ट्रू लेंथ आपको मार्क करनी है ऐसे, तो उसकी जो अपरेंट लेंथ या फिर अपरेंट व्यू है, दैट नीड्स टू बी पैरेलल टू एनी ऑफ द व्यू, आइदर एनी ऑफ द प्लेन, आइदर टू द HP or to the VP. So this is what precaution you must have to take while solving these kinds of problems, isn't it? Now during next lecture we will solve the remaining problem. Okay, thank you, all the best.